How do you dispose of your domestic waste? Think about it. Domestic waste, most common items, example like paper, plastic, glass, and food. For most of us, all of it goes into the same bin. But this is not a good practice. Waste should be managed by careful sorting into recyclables and non-recyclables. So, what are recyclables? First, let's define recycling. Recycling is the recovery of material from a previously used object.
The innovation that Society United suggests is income vending machine. In simple way, if you do recycling, you got money as reward. Income vending machine are purposely be used for students in SK Durian Tunggal, Malacca.
To propose innovative solutions to improve awareness and environment performance by opportunity for innovation and improvement in society. The improvement identified is stratified in the content of environment objective. A range of techniques are used to generate innovative options to deliver the improvement identified. Opportunity for innovation and improvement in society is income vending machine can make students know items or waste materials that can be recycled. IVN also can make innovation facilities students and residents at school. The way to use IVN is very easy. Improvement identified is justified in the content of environment objective. Benefit to the environment. Optimize the process recycle. Conserving natural resources. Reducing global warming and pollution. Protecting ecosystem and wildlife. Steps to use IVN can be seen on the machine. There are 3 steps on how to use it. Let's know how to use it. Step 1. Insert your empty containers into the charter at the front of the income vending machine. Step 2. Tap the button at the front of the machine to choose the reward. 2 reward options: money reward or discount coupons rewards. Step 3. Take the rewards. IBM gives awareness to society by breaking all thinking patterns. Education students through a way be concerned about the environment. Students can easily understand the concept of recycling as well generate income.
Next, do you know that change management plan is designed to environment standard expectation is created? Okay. Let me start for the first point. For the first point, waste generation is increasingly rising in developed countries with growing economy and increasing consumption of products. For the second point is waste recycling have been developed, established to save an environment, especially for students SK Durian Tunggal, Malacca. For the third point is the recycling process will save the regulated and changing management environmental climate to ensure the process is run smoothly for the student.
So next, the change management is implemented, monitoring progress against agreed target. The maintenance of the recycling machine that has been innovated must be maintained in a controlled manner. So we're doing the maintenance on time, taken care of by the responsible club. Agreed target consists of all school staff and school students. In a conclusion, if Sekolah Kebangsaan Durian Tunggal uses an income vending machine, it will definitely give a positive impact. The constructive effect that school students and teachers will have both short and long-term consequences. This will help us to develop a conscientious attitude about using the technology as normal.